Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'm going to talk about how to talk to your doctor about low testosterone. So talking about lowered sex drive or erectile dysfunction isn't the conversation most male patient wants to have with their provider. But if you're experiencing those symptoms related to low testosterone, then ignoring those problems won't make it go away. Guys, you have to talk to your provider about your symptoms. With more and more research coming out about testosterone replacement therapy, more doctors are treating patients with low T. More and more doctors are being educated about how to improve your symptoms of low testosterone. But for the doctors to help you, you have to make sure that you talk to your doctor about the symptoms. You explain them about lower sex drive or erectile dysfunction. Be upfront, be honest about the symptoms, be open about discussing the symptoms. Men suffering from symptoms of low testosterone now don't have to simply accept their symptoms. Optimizing your hormone will not only improve your sexual symptoms but will also improve your overall quality of life, will improve your energy and boost your mood. So if your primary care is not able to help you, make sure you see your hormone doctor. It's not only about the sexual symptoms, but it's also about your overall quality of life and improving your overall health. And subscribe for more videos.